Okay, here we are with the Hedemark Resurrection violin. You can see we have it clamped. There was a crack along here. Very hard to see, hairline crack. The salted maple has a tendency to split, and it split right along there. This broke off, which we already glued, and this was broken and glued previously. And we'll take this clamp off here. One of the reasons it split up here as well is because this peg hole was too close to the edge. So we plugged that hole on both sides, and we will re-drill a new hole that's lower down, and this plug will serve to reinforce that crack too. And also we'll be putting in a patch here to reinforce that crack where it broke all the way across here, right near where that spalting is. And meanwhile, we got the neck flattened out, planed flat, slightly more of an angle. Got the fingerboard cleaned up, flattened out, so that's ready to go back on at a slightly higher angle, so a bridge will work better. So those are our next projects. First we got to finish trimming these off. We'll trim it right above the wood there, and then get it flush with a chisel. Using a nice sharp saw. Make sure we're staying at a nice good level there. I like to go around and get it from both sides. Pound angle here, so it can be tricky. And we'll get both cuts coming around. Same spot. This is the plug is made of boxwood, by the way, which is very hard, and a traditional wood used for that purpose. It matches up in color pretty well, because usually they use end grain here. So, and if you wanted to be fancy, you could pre-cut this and add a piece of spalted maple on the top, but since this is going to be mostly covered by the new peg, it will be fine. There we go, we got that one. Now we'll chisel that down, which large and small chisels, so it's perfectly flush. And we'll do the same on the other side. The tricky ones are the inside of the plug. Not much room for sawing there, so that'll take a while. And that'll be in our next installment.